As a mom, I'm always looking for healthy snack options for my children. And well, today I'm gonna share a recipe with you for some Tajín apple chips. They are absolutely easy to make and of course only feature 2 ingredients, apples and of course a dash of Tajín. Let's get started. Well, what did you think? Do you think that your kids are gonna wanna feast on these? I don't know about you, but I cannot wait to dig in. If you want more recipes like this, make sure that you join us on Tajin.com for more. Bye.